Hello, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel guys. So today's video is going to be super interesting because we'll be talking about the Windows 11 update. Also, if you have been following the Microsoft for some time, you may pretty much came across the Windows 11 and it's not officially released yet because it's still under beta testing, and it just got out from the developer channel and came to the beta channel. If you want, you can really go and update it right now from the settings itself on the Windows Insider program, and just go and select the beta version, and the automatic updation will come to your PC if your PC is under the system requirements for Windows 11. And also the official Windows will be coming in the end of this month or the first month of the next year, so we'll be waiting for that. And today we'll be talking about what are the new features that came to Windows 11 and what are the visual changes that happened with the Windows 11, and also we're talking about the bugs that is currently facing in the Windows 11. So without any more damn ado, let's get started. This is the laptop and I have already installed the Windows 11 on this laptop. So now let's talk about what are the changes that came to it. The first thing is the startup sound, which we had a boring kind of sound in the other versions of the Windows, and from the rest of that Windows we got a new welcome sound for when the computer turns on, and it's kind of pleasant too. So let's turn the computer on and let's hear that beautiful startup sound. Yeah, probably you heard that. That is a kind of a great sound because we all had that boring sound in the beginning of this thing, and we have a beautiful sound right now, which is kind of pleasant. And you will see that kind of sound in the rest of the things when plugging in the USB, and also when plugging out the USB, and also when error messages, all those things. This also the changes is with the lock screen itself. You can see before we had this clock on this left kind of corner on the Windows 10, and now we have this thing on the center top of this thing, lock screen, which is the basic concept of Windows 11 is to be in center. That is what the company told, and that is why it's put it in the center position and kind of feels great. And now let's unlock this thing, and now you are reached the home screen, and you can see there is pretty much nothing in the screen except the wallpaper from the Windows 11, which looks stunning by the way. And also you can have a lot of things, like all the applications in this thing are going to be having the rounded corners, like the Android we got to see. And now let's talk about the dialog box when we right click on the stuff. And now there are a lot of rumors saying that there is no refresh button. Actually there is a refresh button, means two refresh buttons. So I'll be showing you guys. Actually you can right click on here and you can see the new and this transparent glassy finished dialog box, which you have everything literally. You can see there is the refresh button, which you can refresh your Windows, and also have the display settings right here. And also there is one more new thing is you can open in a Windows terminal, which is kind of new. Now it was optional in the Windows 10. This is now in the Windows 11 it is kind of built into the OS itself. And also you have seen this show more options, which brings up the old Windows dialog box. That's kind of cool, right? For those people who cannot kind of switch from the thing, you can just use the old one. And also now when we come to the bottom, the new taskbar comes up, and you can see here everything is in center, basic concept. Yeah, and you can see here you are getting various options. Also the taskbar is kind of glossy finished, and here is the start button. Yeah, and here we have the search option, which have been separated from the start menu. Before we had it in the start menu itself. Now we have this thing right here, and also you can see you can just search from here. Yeah, kind of cool. And here you are getting the new Windows new desktop option, which we can multitask. If you have an external monitor, you can use directly from here. Just hover this mouse through the option and you can just click here and add a new desktop. And also one more thing is the widgets, which have you can see here, it will brings up the widgets right here, like all those weather and also the currency rate and other information. Kind of informative and kind of cool. And also here you're getting the new icons in Windows 11. And also one more big changes happened to the Microsoft Store. Actually, you can see here the new Microsoft Store, and kind of fills everything in place. I can just go directly and you can see everything is changed. It just kind of brings directly to the point of installing, or you can just read the description and also previews and all those things. Kind of cool. And also in the future it will support the Android apps too. That's what they told with the partnership with Amazon. And now if you come to the right corner here, you have the normal stuff which is running in the background, and also there is a on-screen keyboard, and you can see here which is kind of cool. You can see all those things, yeah. And also have the voice typing and also stickers, etc. And also the next thing is for the kind of notification. Actually not a notification separator. You can control all your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth, VPN, airplane, focus assistant, and accessibility, battery saver, cause import, and all those things you can see. Also there is a nearby sharing option, light, and also now you can see your battery percentage in this place. You can see here, and also you can control your brightness of the screen and your sound, and also you can edit if you want any new options. Now to the last option in here is, if you click on this clock, you can see the notification right here. I'm not having notification right now, and you can see the cornered edges. And now let's go to the start menu. And before I go to that, you may see that there is nothing in the desktop itself, because I have hidden it from right here. Show desktop icon, I have hidden it because before we have to mess up this entire desktop for arranging the applications. Now we have this start menu, and you can see you can arrange it perfectly right here, and it looks clean, right? That is better, right? And you can see all those new icons for the my PC and all those settings and all those things. And you can see, go to the account right from here, and also the shutdown and restart options are changed to here. You can see here power, and you can just open this, all those things. And now one more change that happened is with the settings. Okay, if you go to settings, and you can see changes happened is kind of makes everything to the point, directly to the point, which means I really like the settings, because you can just go here and you can see everything is intact, about device and clipboard, projecting to PC, and nearby sharing, storage and power and battery, and focus assistant, and the display. You can directly go to the display, and everything is here, like night light, scale, display resolution, and also you can change the refresh rate directly clicking on here, and you can go here and change the display refresh rate. Also cool. And also your devices will be shown here in a new style. It kind of feels like a Mac and Android came together, yeah. And you can see all those things, your touchpad and all those things, and network settings you can see here, and personalization. And here the main thing is you are getting 6 themes inbuilt in the Windows 11. You can select from these 6 themes from here, you can see, and 3 dark and 3 light, and that's also cool. And also background and other things like here, you can customize it. And also in the app section you can change the default and all those things. And to the accounts we have it right here, and time and language, and also the gaming option right here, which is the Xbox game bar. You can control your graphics of the game, and also you can record your games while playing it. And also you can see it changes the storage location for all those things. You can see here quality of the video quality and other things. And also you can gaming mode for optimizing for gaming mode, and accessibility, here you go all those things. and privacy and security, which is Windows Threat Security Center. And I really have to say that the Windows Defender was not best when it got released in the first. Actually, and now the Windows Defender is kind of pulling it to the top, which means you have getting all those features, means also included the offline scan, right? That is also cool. It's kind of really protect your PC. You don't need to install anything separately. That is also kind of a great move from the thing. And also you can see also changed. You can see Open Windows Security Center, and also the Windows updates. You can see how the things changed, and also in this Windows update option itself you have the Windows Insider program, and also delivery optimization and all the other optional updates and all those things. You can see here. You can see here, and also this is the Windows Insider program which I told about. You can just come here and you can change the stuff, and you can update the Windows to Windows 11, and you can change here to beta. Okay, and now the next thing is this PC, right? Let's go to the this PC option right here, and you can see here the icons in this PC have been changed, and you can see on the top of the position which is Microsoft just hidden it more. You can go here and you can select from options. You can see it kind of feels neat and clear. That is also great. And also see all those things, and now click on this thing and you can see all the things are a little spaced up between each other, so that it is easy to go through stuff. And the other things are pretty much the same. Also there is future update coming, so we can expect more things from the Windows 11. Guys, one thing I want to show you guys is the plugging in USB and plugging out USB sound, which I am currently plugging in my hard drive, external hard drive, and that is the plug-in sound actually. And when I plugging it out, okay, when I am plugging it out, that is sound. That is cool, right? That's pretty much about these visual effects and all those new features in the Windows 11. So as I told earlier, there are some bugs that is really annoying in some times in the Windows 11. So what are the bugs? Actually there is not much of bugs, but there are small bugs that we can hope that Windows is going to be improving it in the next updates, and also when it is officially released. So kind of first bug is I face is this audio issues, because when you plug in the external audio devices it kind of not get detected. That is one of the bugs that I facing it, because it's not getting detected actually, some of them. And also the other bugs is there is no audio when you play games. Sometimes, not all of them, there are sometimes when you play games on a PC there is no audio coming out. That is also another problem, and that can be solved by restarting our PC, but it's kind of annoying to restart every single time. And that's pretty much all about the bugs, the problem with the audios and all stuff. And also the input devices also have a bug that it kind of not get detected pretty much. And that's pretty much all about this Windows 11 bugs. And also if you should install the beta version or not, if you are not sure about that, I will be recommending, it's not going to be a big problem, but actually I won't be recommending you guys to install it on your primary device, because if you are kind of a work person or something like that, don't install it on your primary device. You can if you're having a secondary device in your home, you can install in that, or also otherwise you can just install it in the virtual desktop, so that it don't mess up your PC. So that's pretty much all about this Windows 11 scenario. So we'll be hoping to get more feature updates. So that is pretty much all in today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If you are new to my channel, a sub to the channel will be very great, and also turn on the bell icon near it so that you won't miss any beep. And also share this video with your friends if you want to share this video. And that's pretty much all in today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.